Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A semicolon may be used between independent clauses joined by a connector, such as and, but, or, nor, etc., when one or more commas appear in the first clause. Example: when I finish here, and I will soon, I'll be glad to help you, and that is a promise I will keep.
Let's help you make your mark.
1. Use a semicolon between independent clauses when the clauses are closely related in meaning and when there is no coordinating conjunction between them. Often two independent clauses which are closely related in meaning can be connected by a comma and a coordinating conjunction, and, but, or, not, for, so, yet.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sentences always begin with a capital letter and end in either a full stop, exclamation or question mark. A complete sentence always contains a verb, expresses a complete idea and makes sense standing alone.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use semicolons with conjunctive adverbs when you have a conjunctive adverb linking two independent clauses. You should use a semicolon. Some common conjunctive adverbs include moreover, nevertheless, however, otherwise, therefore, then, finally, likewise, and consequently.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.